I'm gonna spray just a...
Here we go. You ready?
Yeah. It fired right up like it was running the whole time.
She wants to be on the road. She sounds so good.
There it is.
Are you kidding?
Shit.
No way.
What?
This was owned by a publishing company.
Really? Who? Lawton Publishing Company.
I bet the guy that owned the Lawton newspaper owned the car.
No kidding. The Lawton Publishing Company
This is the service
in
manual.
Lawton, Oklahoma. It's a little varnished.
Oh,
Oh, it's got a leak.
oh,
Oh, shoot.
oh. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, we're close. We're close to full.
I'm sure that's fine. Right?
I've never seen gas. No, I have, but cross your fingers.
It's gonna run. It's gonna run. It's gonna run. All right. Come on.
Oh, she's a lot. Oh,
Oh,
that's okay. She's just teasing us.
it ran.
She ran good.
It ran. Do you think this still works? No.
Let's
Mike,
call somebody.
reach
No.
out and call someone. Oh, there's sand in that.
Really?
It's sand. Literal sand, Mike.
Randy's getting very intimate with his Bentley right now.
Getting really pissed off.
How deep that
Yeah,
junk
I mean,
goes.
this is, look at this.
Yeah, that's... Ooh.
Malto-meal.
Look at that.
Oh,
Oh,
no,
okay.
that's fine.
that is crazy.
Oh,
That's okay.
those just come out.
I guess, yeah.
Okay. What is this gelatinous? Ah!
In the eye. Let me get a rag.
Ah! Yeah, I've got nothing. I'm taking her to town,
No
Mike.
way.
I'm taking her to town. Look, the speedometer
Oh my
works.
gosh.
Let's reset the trip. We are driving a 47-ish year old Bentley.
Bentley. Look at the Bentley. First time a Bentley's... No, you've had other
Uh-oh.
ones down here. Uh-oh. Did we just stall?
We stalled.
Okay.